Hello, welcome to Aegis Prime Gaming, and here we finally have the limited edition Majora's Mask with the little skull kid in it. This was supposed to arrive on Friday, but it arrived today. But anyway, we're gonna start doing the unboxing right now. This is the box. It has beautiful artwork cover. You can see little skull kid in there looking at you. Makes me not want to open it. So pretty. This is the side of the box. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it has a little design of skull kid on the side. And here's the same thing. And then on the back we have all this stuff. Yeah. And the top it has that thing. It's very pretty. And nothing on the bottom. Let's open her up. Careful now. Careful now. And open it. Here we have the game. This is the normal game. Beautiful artwork cover. One of my favorite. Put that here on the side. And then the moment we've all been waiting for. The moment I've been waiting for. Finally. Put the box aside. And here we have Skull Kid. Wow. Such a pretty box. Have Skull Kid here. He looks so detailed and pretty and so worth it. Now he can just go back in his box and he'll never come out of there again. That is the unboxing for Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask Special Edition. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at Skull Kid one more time. Yeah, it says Legend of Zelda down there. I think, yeah. It's about time you get here. So yeah, that's our time. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask 3D. My name is Alex Sanchez. Be sure to like this video, share it, and everything else on the social media. And I hope you'll subscribe too. Check us out on Facebook down in the comments below. Down there. Okay, thanks for watching.